Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word 1A Office on the web. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow. And you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, MyLab Math, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Medical, Nursing and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. If you want to do this assignment from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment Word 1A Office on the web. I will increase the font size and highlight for a proper view in my video. You can see this is the title of assignment under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on, instruction, increase the font size of this complete instruction for a proper view in my video. Okay. So moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that from your Chrome browser, go to www.office.com and sign in with your College Office 365 account and your personal Microsoft account. Upload and open your student Word 1A Office for the web documents. File from the location to which you downloaded it from MIT Lab. This is action will open the file in the Word for web and store your file in your OneDrive. Basically, in this question, we will go to Chrome browser and go to www.office.com and we will sign in our College Office 365 account, our personal Microsoft Office. Okay, then we will download our file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal and we will open our file in this Office 365. Okay, I have also downloaded this file. I am going to opening my Word file which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. So we will move on. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2 has 0 points. You can see on my laptop screen. If necessary, display the classic ribbon as follows. At the right end of the ribbon, locate the switch ribbon arrow and click to display the up arrow so that more commands display on the ribbon. The simplified ribbon display fewer commands and it's useful when working on the mobile device. On the home tab in the paragraph group, click show hide to display the formatting marks. In this question, basically it says we will show our non-printing characters. Moving on, question number 3. Question number 3 is that at the top of the document, type internship opportunities and then press enter 2 times. Type Biz Media is a leading provider of webcasting and streaming production service for large and small companies, municipal clients, and non-profit organization. Press space bar. Okay, first point is that at the top of the document, go to our Word file at the top of the document. Okay, so at the top of the document and then type this complete text internship opportunities. Okay, type internship opportunities, copy this text and then we will type and paste at the top of the document. First we'll show non-printing characters and okay, internship opportunities, opportunities. Okay, press. So we will and then press enter 2 times and press enter 2 times. Okay, then type Biz Intermedia is leading provider. Biz Media, Biz Intermedia. is a leading provider of webcasting. We will type this complete text. Okay. Of webcasting and streaming production services. Of and webcasting and streaming production service. Production services for the large. Production services for the large. Sorry, for for large and small companies. And small companies. Okay. Companies, municipal clients, companies, comma, companies, comma, municipal clients, municipal, municipal clients. And non-profit organization, comma, non-profit and non-profit organization. Okay, you can see I have done this complete question. I have done this type. So press space bar. Okay, so we will press space bar. Okay, you can see I have done 3 questions of this assignment so far. Moving on, question number 4. Question number 4 is that select the text internship opportunities on the home tab, select the font size arrow, and then select 20, select the font color arrow, and then in the fifth column select the first color. In the paragraph group select align center. First we will select the text internship opportunities. We will select this text, select internship opportunities, go to the home tab, and then we will apply 20 font size. Okay, go to the home tab, in the font group apply 20 font size. So select the font color arrow, and then in the fifth column select the first color. Select the font color arrow. Okay, and fifth column first, 1 2 3 4, fifth column first color. Okay, fifth column select first color. In the paragraph group select align center. Okay, go to the home tab, in the paragraph group apply center the alignment. So moving on, next question is question number 5. Select the remaining text in the document, change the font size to 14. Okay, we will select remaining text in the document, and then we will change the font size to 14. Remaining text is here. We will select this complete remaining text in the document and change the font size to 14. Go to the home tab, in the font group click on font size, apply 14 font size. Okay, I have done this question so well. You can see on my laptop screen I have done 5 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 6 is that click at the beginning of the paragraph that begin base Intel media, select the result tab, and then select picture. Under insert picture from click this device, navigate to the location where your data files for the project are stored, and then select W01 media, click open to insert the image. Okay, click the beginning of the paragraph that begins with intermedia. We will go to our paragraph and then click beginning of the paragraph. Okay, base intermedia. So insert tab, select the insert tab, go to our insert tab, select the insert tab and then select picture. Select the insert tab and then select picture in the illustration group. Click on this device. We will go to our download folder which we download from Pearson portal. I have set this file in here. We will select this picture W01A media picture. Click on insert button. This picture is inserted now. Okay. View data files for this project store. Open to insert the image. I have done this question complete. You can see on my laptop screen. So moving on question number 7. With the picture selected, select the picture tab, select the picture style arrow and then in the first row, select the 6 picture style soft edge rectangle. Okay, with the picture selected, select the picture tab. Okay, select the picture tab and then we will click on picture tab. Okay, go to the picture format tab. This is good. Select the picture style arrow and then in the first row, picture style arrow, first row and then select 6 picture style soft edge rectangle. 6 picture style soft edge rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is not soft. Okay, this is the soft edge rectangle picture style. We will apply this style on this picture. Click on OK. You can see I have done 7 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question of this assignment is 13. I have done 75% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. And I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on MediLab, Pearson, Sandhurst, Mentep, MCGraw, Seminat, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.